Good morning, everybody. I'd like to start off the video by saying that I am extremely saddened by the events that are happening in Russia and Ukraine. I think that this is an extremely horrible act on mankind. I think the war should not be happening at all. With that being said, the SPY is pre-market at 410. We are well underway at the S&P 500 hitting $400. I do think that it's going to hit $400. I do think that it's going to fill the gap right here that it was created back in, I don't know. I don't even know when it was created, right? But I think there's a good chance of it filling at $400. The whole market is down. The S&P 500 is down. The Nasdaq is down. All cryptocurrency is down. The momentum that we expected from GameStop or any other squeeze like that is gone. GameStop is close to $100 all over again. I do not expect things to get better. If anything, I expect them to get worse. As of right now, I really do hope that the market stays stable. I hope that the market recovers quickly. There's going to be a massive gap that is going to be open from 410 or wherever SPY decides to open to around 421.97, which was yesterday's close. It's sad, right? The fact that this war is happening and the fact that it's affecting our markets this much is in my opinion, completely uncorrelated. I think that this is definitely going to probably have an impact, maybe on inflation. We've already seen that it has impacted our market. All we can do now is just kind of watch and see how everything plays out. I would not recommend buying this dip. I would not recommend buying any of the upcoming dips. If it wasn't for this war, I 100% think that we would have recovered. I do honestly think that this dip had no reason to be this much without the war scaring the market this much. No doubt in my mind that if this war news or all this FUD was not happening, we would have recovered. We would have either traded sideways or recovered. I would have not been able to see this drop without the war happening. This is not something that would have been able to be forecasted with TA. Right? TA can obviously not forecast huge news like this. But again, I am extremely saddened for the people of Ukraine. My heart is with just this whole thing being resolved extremely quickly, with as little loss possible from either side. Right? This should have never happened, in my opinion. But we'll see. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.